Tutorial Part 8, TAC Preview and TAC Fix. In this tutorial, I will show you how to check and set up the correct TAC limit in your PSD file. On the input panel, you can define TAC value in the maximum ink window. The default is 300% and it is relevant only for CMYK inks. Now I will set it to 270%, and according to this value, RetouchXPress will generate a TAC preview layer for me. As I turn on TAC simulation, RetouchXPress visualizes my excess ink area by a black indicator color. That's where the total area coverage of the 4 process inks exceeds 270%. I show you the method how to fix it very quickly and easily. First, a retouch group is created from the original layers. Then, I introduce a new retouch action in this group, a selective color. I click on TAC simulation, double-click on my new selective color action in the list, select blacks from the drop-down menu, and I start reducing the gray components from the darkest part of the image where the ink is too much. As I pull back the sliders, you can see that the black indication gradually disappears from the image. That means that TAC is reduced now below 270% on the entire image. You may want to add some black so the image will not be significantly lighter in the shadows. As any other retouch action, this selective color layer can be deactivated anytime so the original image remains intact. I turn off TAC simulation now so I can compare the original scenario to the new one where the image meets the 270% maximum ink requirement.